We're going to lift up on this plastic piece here, starting from the rear. There we are. Let's disconnect all this wiring. Switch right here. Just pull that right out of there. So now that we've got this off of here, we have a clear view of the window switch. Let's go ahead and get that out of there. If you were to look right down along here, you're going to see a slot. We're going to come just like this with our pocket screwdriver or small screwdriver, and then you can pop it right off of there. Once you've compared your new switch to your old switch, you're going to go ahead and install it. We'll put it just like this, and you can see that little locking tab. That's going to slide into this groove right there. You want to make sure that your window switches are lining up with their holes, and then just give it a nice squeeze. Push on those buttons, and just make sure that the switch doesn't fall back out. If it falls back out, then more than likely you're not locked in correctly. Now it's going to be time to get this reinstalled back into the door panel. We'll connect in our speaker wire. Super important. We've got our mirror wire. Click it in, give it a tug. Get my wire situated here. I'm going to turn this, slide it right in. This one slides right in. Everything is nice and secured. You want to make sure the speaker wire is going through this slot and not over here, otherwise it could get a pinch coming across there. To install this, you're going to notice you have a hooky-doo right here towards the front area, and then you have your clips right here that are going to latch right there. That being said, come in high and put in the front area first with the hooky-doo, and then right here, give it a nice push. Couple loving bonks. Perfect. Now it's going to be time to test our work. So, you want to make sure you have the key in the on position. The vehicle does not have to be running. Let's go ahead and try to put this window down. And then back up. Battery's a little low in this vehicle. Perfect. Passenger side. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and test the mirror. Right side. Yep. Awesome.